Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where you encounter Winscomrssv dll as a message at startup on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, whenever we encounter any issue where a DLL is missing, then our first approach should be an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution is to install Microsoft C++ redistributable. So we will search for it. Okay. And then go to the first option here. Click on Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019 and 2022. And then next to x64, if you have a 64-bit computer, click on the option to download it. For 32-bit computers, select the x86 one. Click on open and then click on repair. This will reinstall the missing DLL files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.